Hello and welcome to Leo's Lock Pad. We've got a Euro cylinder today. It's already fired up. It is a challenge lock. It comes from T&J's lockpicking Nord. Please check out their channel. Absolute great guys. They're absolute geniuses when it comes to challenge locks. I mean, Playable people make great challenge locks as well, don't get me wrong. But their attention to detail is unbelievable. It's called piston stroke. Like I say, it's got a piston on the keyring. Let me show you the bitting. And it's a Wilka. The reason it's already in the vise is because I've been, as you can see, it does work. It's been a pain in the backside. It's been a tricky one, so I've had to have had a few practice turns with it. It just weren't having any of it on camera, so I'm going to give it another go. I also got a parcel today. We'll check that out in a minute. But before we get on, if you're new to my channel and you're new to lockpicking, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you like this type of thing and you're interested in more, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. I try to make at least 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to making locks, pins, and all that type of manner of lock related things. Excuse me, sorry about that. Let's get on with this lock. I'm going to use a tension, it's a normal tension wrench. This is not homemade. This came from it was an old Go-So kit, and a hook that came from Trackmaster. Let's let's get on with it, and let's actually there we go. Like I say, this thing's been a right pain in the ass. Very good challenge lock. Click off 3 and 4. Look, click off 5. Go for reset. Another click off 5. Click off as well as 2. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 3. Have to go for another reset. Like I say, it is a bloody tricky one. Another click off 3. Oh, bugger. Try that one again. Click off 3 and 2. Tiny click off 1. Oh, bugger. Do you know what? I'm going to try it this way. Try it clockwise. I think that's how I did it before. Click off 4. Little rotation for 2. Getting a little bit of counter on 1. On 1, it was 3, I got a little click, and it's 2, I'm getting counter. Let's go for a reset. Oh, a little click again of 3. Definitely some serrates in here or something. Oh, and there we go. Bloody hell. I sound like it is because it's so bloody warm. So let me sort that out. There we go. I hate it when it doesn't look right. Right, let me... Right, we can lock it back up because we have the key. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a circlip. Just give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to... you see, it was one of these type, and I had to go in my toolbox because the remover I have for these are usually when I'm taking drive shafts from cars and that. So, put that over there in a second. Oops, I'm dropping things. Let's get the pinning board out. Right, follower. Let's have a look. Yes, we got the key. I'll do it like that. There we go. Be careful. Let's get this down here. See what we've got. It's like a half spool keeping. Oh, we've got a pinning pin keeping. Another small spool keeping. Another one. And the last one is another spool. It's like a half spool keeping. Tweezers, there we go. Let's see what we've got in here. Like a spool, serrated spool. Oh, no it's not. Oh, no way. Oh wow, that's fantastic that. So the next one is. It's the same. That is cool. I'll show you what these out. Let me just get them all out. That's if they're all like this. That one is, yep. Next one. Yep. Go on to the next one. Yes. Wow. Oh, well. What I'll do is I'm going to put the key pins at the top, and I'm going to put the drivers at the bottom. You'll get what I mean when I show you the orientation. Let me have a look at that spring there is, that's a long spring, that's number 3, so it goes in there. That's number 5, number 3, so that'll come out. And 2 and 1. There we go. Lid was refusing to come out. Right, there we go. So was anything in here? Let's see. Nope, can't see any threading in there. Let's have a look at the core. We've got threading. We've got deep threading in 4. A little bit on the top of 5. Little counter milling on 2 and maybe 1, I think. Let me show you these pins. That's why it's called piston stroke. As you can see, they are pistons. As you can see, the top of your piston, there's your con rod. That's where your bearings go. And they've even got little serrates in that look like where your compression and your oil rings go on your pistons. They're an absolute work of art. I've seen really fancy pins before, but I've never seen pins like that. Not as a set of pistons. As you can see, I've just separated that. That's a key pin, that's a pin. Well, that's absolutely fantastic. I'm looking forward to doing that HUS surprise. If we're doing that, that's brilliant, lads. Absolute outstanding work on those pins. Fantastic. It was a really tricky lock. I'll just open this box so we can. Let me just move the pinning tray out of the way. Don't want to. Okay. Oh, I don't want to lose those pins there. Nice. I got this today in the post. I've opened it, but I've not actually looked at it. I just checked there was no letters in it or anything. As you can see, we've got packing foamy stuff. I've got an idea though of what it is just by the sound of it rattling around. Let's see, what do we have? Just make sure there's no oh well, look at that. That's what we have. That is a beautiful wooden box. That's really nice. Oh, that's a number 6, or is it number 9? I think it's number 6. No, it's a 9. This, if you don't know, it came from Pete Restall. Please check out his channel. Absolute great guy. He did the lock pickers of the world, and he asked a bunch of lock pickers to send in some homemade pins so he could make some. He could make some locks. Give me a second. Yep, nothing in there like that. And he added all the pins to the locks, and he sent out, I think it was 10 of these with all these different pins in that people have made, and they've all gone around the world. And as you can see in this lock itself, the pins and the drivers are made by, we've got Mechanic Dan, T&J's lockpicking Nord, who've just done their lock, Randy Perkins, great guy. We've got Pick Me, absolutely fantastic. Andy H97, great dude. Bronx Lockpicker 60, Matthew Wilson, all great guys. Our very own Pickbeard, Paul Lock, Super Llama, West Coast Picks, Monkey Lockpicks, Chinook, I think, and Andy H97 in the driver pins. And like I say, if you are new to this channel, if you want to pause on there at some point, I think 90%, 99% of these, 99, what you mean, most of these have lock picking channels. Please check them out. Let's have a quick look at this lock. That's really nice, that. These were all handmade as well by Pete Restall. He made these boxes, including these locks. Oh, look at the bitting on that. Well, that's protecting those, isn't it? I've got a little bit of a hang up, but besides that, that works beautifully. Oh, brilliant. I'm going to look forward to picking that. Oh, fantastic. I'm glad I got it, so I can get to have a go, but put the lid on nice and carefully, and we'll move that to the side. Hopefully we'll get that done. Sorry the video was so long, but thank you very much for watching. Oh, please check out T&J's Lockpicking Nord and Pete Russell. Absolute great guys. Wonderful channels, great content. But thank you very much. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Bye.